Hello student, today we will do question number 4 from exercise 4.2 NCERT math books class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. See question number 4. Find the two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. So see, let the two positive integers be x and x plus 1. According to question, x square plus sum of whose square x plus 1 whole square is equal to 365. If we will expand this, x square plus 2x plus 1 on a plus b whole square formula is equal to 365. It will bring this side, then 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. X square plus x minus 18 2 is equal to 0. If you will split middle term, then x square plus 14x minus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. x plus 14 minus 13 x plus 14 is equal to 0. X minus 13 x plus 14 is equal to 0. X is equal to 13 and minus 14. So minus 14 because it is in question given two positive integers, so this will be cut. So required number, therefore required number is equal to 13 and 14. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.